How to screen record on laptop on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course go into our desktop. And then once we are now on the desktop, on the search bar, just search for snipping tool. Once you search for snipping tool, we're going to open that. So click the open button. Once you do that, this will pop up. To screen record our screen, all you have to do is to click this video icon right here, and then you will see this Windows shortcut to start recording. So we're going to press Windows key plus Shift plus R. Once you do that, this will pop up. So we have here the snipping tool. So this is where you can choose the recording area. So if you choose this, we will have two types, which is the rectangle and then of course the window. If you choose the rectangle, you can choose which part of the screen that you would like to screen record. So let's say for example that we would like to screen record only this one. So you will see that we have this frame. So you can adjust it if you want to. And then in this part, you will now be able to see the start button to start recording your screen. So if you want to unmute your microphone, all you have to do is to click that. And then if you also want to share your system audio, all you have to do is to make sure that it is turned on. After that, let's say for example, we want to start recording. And then let's say for example that we are now done with this. So what we're going to do is to just click the stop button right here. And then this will pop up. So what we're going to do next is to make sure that we save it by clicking the save button right here. Once you click the save button, you can now choose where you would like to save the video to. So let's say for example that we would like to save it into our desktop. So we're going to click on save. And then if we go here on our desktop, you will now be able to see our recording. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to screen record on laptop on Windows 11.